Good morning, students. Welcome once again. Yesterday, we saw that one thought comes in writer's mind. And what was that thought? I should go back to Anil if I want to learn, read and write. Now, when writer could not board in the train, at that time I had told you there were two reasons. First reason was Anil was the person who trusted writer most. That was the first reason why Anil could not board in the train. And second reason I had told you, second reason was other opportunities. Now we are speaking about that other opportunity. What was the second reason? Because writer was going to be benefited from Anil. How writer was going to be benefited from Anil? If he had learned to read and write, he could achieve anything in his life. These were the two reasons why Anil could not board in the train. First, in his whole life, Anil was the person who trusted him very much. And second reason was there. What was the second reason? Writer was going to be benefited by learning, reading and writing. And now at the end, here thought came in his mind. What thought came in writer's mind? I should go back to Anil if only I want to read and write. Because reading and writing was going to give him very much. Reading and writing, these two things were going to change his life. That's why at the end he thinks, if I want to become really big man, respected man, then I should go to Anil. And now writer says, I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Writer says, and as soon as this thought came in my mind, which thought? I should go to Anil back. As soon as this thought came in my mind, I hurried back. Hurried back means what? Went back to room hurriedly. I hurried back. Means he go fast to room, feeling nervous. But when he was going to room, he was feeling what? Nervous. Obviously, because he had done wrong thing. He has done such type of thing which could break faith of Anil, which was there. And because of that, he was nervous. And he was nervous for one more thing. And what was that thing? Because Writer says it is very easy to steal. Stealing is very easy. But keeping same thing at the same place again, and that is also undetected. Undetected means what? Without capturing by somebody, without discovering by somebody. Understand? Means what? Dear students, stealing is very easy. Generally, when we steal something, people are not that much alert. But once the act of stealing happened or happens, people become alert about that thing. They become aware about that thing, and their attention is always towards this case. That's why it is more risky than stealing, keeping the same thing back at that same place. Now, here writers told what we can say, Anil's money. At that time Anil was sleeping, but now writer was going to room. After going to room, writer had decided in his mind that I would keep money, Anil's money, back again under the bed. But now keeping money, stealing money was easy because at that time Anil was sleeping. But now keeping money back again, it is difficult, because it may happen that Anil might have woke up in between this time period, and if Anil was not woke up, then also other possibility was there. What was that other possibility? While keeping that money back, Anil may wake up and he may catch him red-handed. It is possibility that though writer was keeping that money under the bed, Anil may think that writer is stealing money. Means such type of controversy may happen. That's why writer says it is easy to steal something, but it is very difficult to keep same thing again at the same place. How? Undetected means without exposed, without catching by somebody, it is very difficult. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Writer says, I opened the door quietly, silently. I opened the door quietly and stood in doorway in the door only, in clouded moonlight. Clouded moonlight means actually moonlight was there in the evening, but now because of rainy environment, clouds were there in the sky. That's why writer says clouded moonlight means what? Moonlight was there, but with moonlight clouds were also there in the sky. That's why it is called as clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. Anil was still asleep. Means when writer came back and opened the door, he saw Anil was still asleep. Means Anil did not wake up. And Anil didn't know anything about the theft, stealing of money. Writer says, I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I crept to the head of the bed. Head of the bed means what? Where we decide to which we keep our head, that is called as head of the bed. Anil says, I crept. Crept means what? Walked slowly. Actually, walking on what we can say hands and knees also called as what? Creeping. Whereas walking slowly also called as what? Creeping. So writer says, I crept to the head of the bed. Head of the bed means what? To that side where Anil's head was there. Because whenever we put precious things like money, we always put toward the head side, not toward the what we can say foot side. So writer crept up to the what? Up to the head of the bed. And my hand came up with the notes. My hand, he took money from that vest. My hand came up with the notes. Actually, many times writer has used one figures of speech. And what is that figures of speech? That figures of speech is called as synecdoche. Now what is meant by synecdoche? When small thing is used for whole body or whole body is used for what? Small thing. That is called as synecdoche. We have learned this in our what we can say regular periods. What is meant by synecdoche? My hand came up with the notes means only hand. Hand is not what we can say person. It is part of person. But writer says my hand came up with what? Notes. I felt his breath on my hand. And while keeping these notes under the bed, this time Anil's face was towards writer. That's why writer says, when I was keeping the bundle of notes under the what? Bed. To which side? Where Anil's head was there. Writer says, when I was keeping these notes, my hand felt Anil's breath. Breath means what? What we can say inhaling and exhaling. When we keep our hand near somebody's nose, we can feel that air which comes out of our nose. Likewise, when writer was keeping that notes under the bed, writer says the distance between my hand and Anil's nose was such a close, my hand could feel Anil's breath, that air which comes out of nose easily. Writer says what? I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. I remained what? Still for a minute. Means in passive motion. If Anil wakes up, then what? he may catch me red-handed, and though I am keeping money back, he may think that I am stealing money. Means inward reaction may happen. That's why writer says, when I thought, when I will keep this money under the bed, it may happen that Anil may wake up. That's why writer says, I stood still. Still means what? Without movement for a minute, for 1 minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. And afterwards, because light was not there, darkness was there, but moonlight was there. Writer was searching for what? Mattress, to keep that notes under the mattress. At the end, writer says, my hand found the edge side of the mattress and slipped. See here what he says, and slipped under it, under the mattress. Now slip means what here? What is meaning of slipped here? Moved under it, under the mattress. Means Anil moved his hand under the mattress to keep what? To keep notes. I woke up late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. And writer says, I woke up late next morning because in the night he roamed here and there. He woke up what? Late in the night. And when he woke up, what had happened? Much time was there. He woke up very late. That's why Anil had prepared tea for them before writer wakes up. Before writer woke up. Daily who prepared tea for both of them? Daily writer prepared tea for both of them. But today, who prepared tea for them? Anil prepared tea for them. He stretched out his hand towards me. And when writer woke up and sat in his bed, Anil stretched his hand. Stretching means what? Moving hand. That is called as what? Stretching hand. Anil stretched his hand towards whom? Towards writer. Why? See, there was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. When Anil stretched his hand towards whom? Writer. What was there? There was 50 rupees note in his hand. 150 rupees note was there what? In his fingers. Hand means what? Fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. And writer says, my heart sank. Sank means what? I was shocked because of fear. And for some moments, for some seconds, writer thought I was discovered. I was discovered means what? My theft was discovered. My theft was discovered. This thought comes in whose mind? Writer's mind. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. And as as Anil stretches his hand towards writer to give what? Money. Anil explained. Explain means what? Told. Anil told to whom? Writer, I made some money yesterday. I made some money yesterday means what? I earned some money yesterday. And now you will be paid regularly. Now you will be paid regularly means what? Still today I did not give you any rupee as a payment, as your monthly salary, but today onward you will be regularly paid, means you will be paid monthly. Each and every month I will give you some money as your payment, as your salary. Why? Now because I am getting what? Money. And as soon as Anil speaks in this way with writer thought that, oh, Anil is speaking in this way, means my theft is not discovered. Anil didn't know anything about that theft. Means such type of thought comes in whose mind? Writer's mind. Means writer becomes what? Relaxed. How? Anil is giving money to me means what? Anil doesn't know anything about the what? About the night's theft. That's why he is giving me money. Otherwise, if he knew about the theft, he would not give me what? 50 rupees. That's why from inside, writer becomes what? Relaxed. My spirits rose. Writer says what? My spirits rose. My spirits rose means what? I became hopeful. Why I became hopeful? Thank God. Because Anil doesn't know anything about what? My stealing. Who thinks? Writer thinks. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. But as soon as writer takes that 50 rupees note from Anil and he sees that, what he sees? He saw that that note was wet. From what? From night's rain. Means what? Obviously, when Anil was sleeping in the night and when he kept notes under his head, under the mattress, at that time all the notes were what? Dry and plain. And when Anil woke up, all the notes were what? Wet and little bit folded. With this, Anil could easily understand what might have happened with notes. Because Anil was a wise person. He was a writer for magazines and books. He could understand easily. So Anil understood that. Anil came to know what? About the act. Now we cannot say theft or now we cannot say stealing. But Anil came to know about act of what? Act of writer. And writer says, see, means what? Anil knew about the what? Theft of writer. But again Anil says, today we will start writing sentences. Today we will start writing sentences. Means as soon as he gives what? 50 rupees notes. He not only gives him 50 rupees notes. On the other hand, he says what? Today we are going to what? We are going to learn sentences to write and to read. Today we will start writing sentences. Means today we will learn to what? How to write sentences. And writer here says, he knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Writer says, Anil knew very well. What Anil knew very well? That I took his bundle of notes. I went outside. But again I came back and I kept these notes under his bed. Anil knew this. How? Why? Because these notes were what? Wet. But neither his lips nor his eyes, means neither Anil's lips nor Anil's eyes spoke anything. Means though Anil came to know that writer did such type of act in the night, but Anil did not spoke anything. Neither his lips spoke anything, means what? He did not speak anything with his mouth, and he did not speak anything with his eyes also. We can speak with mouth also and we can speak with eyes also. Understand? Yes? Facial language is there, body language is there, eyes language is there. We can speak with what? Eyes also. If I want to say, come here to somebody, I will say what? I need not to speak. With this you can understand that sir is calling me. Means eyes, they have their own language. Writer says, though Anil came to know about the theft, but he did not speak with his eyes also anything, and he did not speak with his mouth also anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. And writer says, at this time, I smiled at Anil what? In most appealing way. Appealing way, attracting way. Because though writer had done bad to Anil, but Anil had done good to writer. And when writer came to know that when Anil discovered my theft, then also Anil is behaving with me in this way, in this righteous way. Writer gave him what? Smile. In his style, that is attractive smile. But writer says what? And the smile came by itself without any effort. And this smile which I gave to Anil, this time this was not duplicate. Before this, whenever I gave smile to Anil, it was duplicate with some efforts. But this time the smile which came on my face, this was not duplicate. This came from my heart. And remaining, all of you know. Afterwards, Anil teaches writer how to read and how to write. And because of Anil's this noble work, today writer has become renowned writer of our country, that is Ruskin Bond. This is the story about the life of Ruskin Bond. When writer means Ruskin Bond was what? At the age of 15 years, means at your age. At that time, he was a thief. But when he realized that stealing can give me some 100 rupees, but if I learn to read and write, it can make me big man. Not only big man, really big man. That's why he left all these bad qualities from his life. He stayed with Anil. He learned how to read and how to write sentences. He learned how to write stories. From whom? From Anil. And one day he became India's famous writer. And among top 4 awards of our country, he has got what? 2 awards. Padma Shri and Padma Sorry, what is that? 2 awards? See, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awards. These 2 civilian awards he got for his literature. Means a boy who was thief in his life when he was, what we can say, at the age of 15 years. He changed his life with his efforts and he became what? India's famous writer. This story reminds us about which story from our mythologies? You know, in Ramayana, one robber, he was called as, what we can say, Valya. But that Valya becomes Rishi Valmiki and wrote Ramayana. This story is also like what? Same that. Dear students, in this way, if we decide to change ourselves, if we decide to become something in our life, nobody can stop us. Like when Valya became Valmiki Rishi, he wrote what? Ramayana. In the same way, we can change our life also. So, in this way, we have completed this lesson over here. Now, you have to complete homework, that is English workshop, in your notebook for time being. And if you have workbook, then you can complete your homework in workbook also. So, for today, we will stop here. If you have any doubt, any difficulty about any point of the lesson, you can contact me on my cell number. Other thing is there, those who have not clicked on subscribe button, please you click on that subscribe button, so that whenever I will prepare new episode and whenever I will upload that new episode on the YouTube, you will get what? Automatic intimation for that new upload, and you could access that video easily. So please, not to forget to click on subscribe button, and if you have clicked on that subscribe button already, you need not to click it on it what? Again and again. But on like button you should click for each and every video. For subscribe button you need not to click on what? On each and every video, but for like button you should click on what? Each and every button. Okay, for today we will stop here, and we will meet in next period with new lesson. Still that, bye, see you again.